Guys, in this video, I'm going to take you guys from A to Z and show you exactly how I trade in the stock market and earn a living every single day. Now guys, I'm going to take you on a live trading session. I'm breaking it down step by step. But if you're new to my channel and if you're new to trading in general, or if you've been trading for a while and you're not profitable yet, you will realize my trading style here on this channel is different than the majority of traders out there. And that's because the way I trade is number one, fundamental, number two, psychological, number three, patterns, behaviors. History repeats itself, right? Now, I'm not a trader, I'm an analyst, right? 95% of trading is to become an analyst. 5% of it is just clicking buttons, right? So many people that call themselves traders think that trading is all about, trading, clicking buttons. No, you don't even know why you're clicking buttons. You don't even know why you're scalping in the first place. You can't even answer the question of why the stock is moving in that certain direction. What is attracting volume? Why will an investor put their money in that stock in the first place, which will attract volume or put the volume up and then the stock price increase? Many traders cannot answer that question. And that's why many traders lose money. So let me just show you exactly how I trade, simplified. The only indicator I use in this case is support and resistance. Everything else goes out the window, right? And you will never see lines on my graph. So don't complicate it. Smash that like before we go in. Come to Papa. The first thing I would do, guys, is come to the NASDAQ website, just like I taught you guys in this tutorial. In the comment section, I will leave it if you're new, and go through these stocks. These are stocks that have earner reports, i.e. catalysts. An earner report is a financial statement a company will release every quarter, and every day we will have a stock release an earner report. Now, I'm gonna trade this stock. I have my eye on this one. I already alerted the chat with this one, AYI, even though you guys already know how to find that, and I've taught you guys how to do the same thing. And I'm only trading this, it's because it's in the billions. These shitty stocks I will not be trading. So I will be trading AYI, 5 billion market cap. Why? Because there's volume here. So I'm gonna trade that stock, and basically we're gonna go in and check the earner report for this. So let's just Google AYI. Remember, a report is a statement that a company will release. So let me analyze. This is where the analysis comes in. This is where you actually make your decision. All right, so let's analyze this, and you'll realize it says Equity Brands earnings, AYI stock sinks disappointing sales outlook. Okay, so after analyzing it, which I already did, guys, all right, this tells me this stock is crap, i.e. money is gonna flow out of a stock. Therefore, my only hope here is to short the stock. I cannot buy a shitty stock. Why? Because the volume, there's more sellers than buyers. Therefore, let me take you to the computer and let's trade and let's make some money, guys. This is a perfect stock that I trade time and time again. It might not be the same stock, maybe it's a different stock, but the reports will always be the same. And that's what makes you a good analyst, is that you actually know what's going on in these reports and the patterns that are forming and the psychology behind these reports. So let's go to the computer and let's make some money. So what I did was, number one, I found a stock that was moving in value significantly before the market opened based on something called news. News will move a stock higher or lower significantly, right? I've got a tutorial in the comment section that even explains this further. The second thing I did was look at the pre-market. Pre-market was up. That gave me indication that there's volume, okay? But I don't have to trade the stock in that direction. I can play the pullback also by shorting that stock. And today, I'm gonna trade AYI, and basically I'm gonna short that stock because after we analyze the report, I know I didn't analyze it with you guys, but after I analyzed the report, I noticed that there's gonna be more sellers than buyers, because nobody wants to invest in a shit company. Therefore, there's gonna be more people taking money out from the stock than into the stock, which means volume is going downwards, not upwards. And I'm just gonna follow the trend. We do this day after day. It is a checklist that we follow, and that's how we profit from the stock market. So you'll notice it's not just me killing it, but majority of you that follow my trading style, whether it's you're part of the course in the Discord chat, or you looked at my tutorials and you started practicing with my paper or with your demo accounts, right? So let's go to the computer, let's kill it. So we're gonna trade a stock called AYE. So I wanna do this as quick as possible so we can trade, because the market is gonna open in 1 minute. As you can see, this stock, the stock market hasn't opened. So I'm gonna tell you exactly what's gonna happen to that stock. before the market even opens, it's going to drop on value. It already did pre-market, but then on market open, it's going to just do a little reversal. Then it will continue shooting back down like this. Now, the reason why I can say that, well, because history repeats itself. And after analyzing the earnings report for this stock, I know what's going to happen to that stock. So let's put the theory into practice. This is what makes you a good trader, right? Is that you form a system, you understand it, and what you're going to see me do is exactly a checkbox that I have, step by step. I do this every day. So market is going to open, and once you see that it was 141, as you can see, this is the stock, it's 141. When it opens up, it's going to drop to 121 right before, because it's down pre-market on a negative news earn report. I have a tutorial for you guys that will explain that further. So me and my guys on the chat, we're going to trade that stock. Others might be trading penny stocks, but we're going to trade that stock, and we're going to go in with few positions, but just keep an eye on the pattern. I told you it's going to drop, it's going to go up a little bit, and then it's going to reverse, and then I'm going to short that stock. That's my game plan. Market just opened, I just jumped in, guys, and you will notice me killing it in a few minutes. So my entry price was 125. Maybe I was too early. The market opened 3 minutes ago. I am too early, but again, that stock has nowhere to go according to the report itself. Here's more reviews, killing it. Well done guys. It's only been 3 minutes into market opening. Good stuff. So here we are, guys are killing it. $600 up, right? As you can tell, 600, and I'm gonna liquidate and walk away with my 639, and here we are, $639 profit. All right, guys, so that was the trade. That was a 2% return on investment. It was a short position, so half of it was leverage. But at the end of the day, it takes practice to get to this confidence and to this level. So keep practicing, keep pushing forward. If you want to join the course, it's going to be in the description for you guys. You'll also get the Discord alongside of it. Hopefully you enjoyed this, guys. I appreciate you for watching. Smash that like if you made it this far, and hopefully you learned a thing or two. But keep practicing, keep learning. So I'll see you again for more videos, guys, just like always.